Install needle to hand pieces. Usually use 1P, 3P needles for dry eyeline. For short time progress, use 5P, 7P needles. Select eye mode key and choose right speed for the procedure. Clean the eyes with saline and then dry the area. Choose color for the eyeline and spool ink to the ink cup for ready to use. Follow the rest area and deposit the eyeline pigment ink. Start at the right top tail, use lighter touch, deposit the pigment into the rest area. Repeat progress 2 to 3 times for each eye to finish the procedure. After processes, clean the eyes with saline and then dry the area.